Hello, lovelies, people of the world. We have been neglecting you for a while, but the reason was not very bad. We shot 21 episodes for the TV, the national TV, for Ramadan, and it was 55 minutes for 21 days. And I have collected many tips, many stories, and great recipes to share with you guys in the coming months. But today, one of the things that I wanted to show you was something that blinked in my head, and it was the Western world usually do not know how to use eggs as a main course and make a really nice main course in 10 minutes using eggs. When you have eggs, a few veggies or a bit of meat, then you can make great, healthy and very fast, simple but incredibly delicious dishes. And in this video, I would like to tell you the tips of how onion works, how you break the egg into egg and yolk and use it in a different way so that the taste gets increased, and many more tips. And today I would like to show you kıymalı yumurta, which is minced meat with eggs, and also spinach with eggs. So we're gonna have a vegetarian version and a meaty version of the egg recipe. And this way, this can be a staple in your house when you come home from work or tired or from school, something that you can make in 10 minutes. If you're ready, we can start. We start with kıymalı yumurta, which is minced meat. I have here 150 grams of minced meat. In a big pan, I am first browning it. The kıymalı yumurta is famous for example, when it's Ramadan, we eat it so much because once you eat it, it keeps you full for a long time, and it's like a protein boost. Eggs contain in itself so many things that the body needs all together. So I wanted to share it with you guys.
What is
the
special
recipe
about your minced meat?
The Turkish minced meat is full of onions. For example, for 150 grams of minced meat, we put 150 grams of onions. When it starts to turn from red, I call this gray, and the water it's used to the pan, we put the onions in, and then the onions give its own water, and the minced meat soaks the water of the onions, making itself softer. At this point, when onions and minced meat get mixed up, we add a bit of salt. It's gonna help this process to fasten, getting into the cells of both. And this time, with the wooden spatula, I am pushing the minced meat because they kind of like curdle, but we want it to be soaked. So some of these lumps, I push it and break it. This is quite important. This way, the minced meat turn into like a kebab-like taste slowly. At this point, I turn the heat a little lower. Now we see a lot of white onions. Slowly, in 5 to 6 minutes, they are going to disappear.
What type of meat do you use?
You can even use chicken, actually, but the most well-known is the one around the ribs. It has a bit of fat content. It's stuck to the bone, so it doesn't move. So it doesn't move, stuck to the bone, and fat and meat together makes this meat tasty and soft, and it's the cheapest. It's double grinded, so 2 times goes through the machine, making it a little smaller. Depending on what you believe, you can use pork, you can use lamb. This is weird. Usually people stop at this point, but actually still the mincemeat is grayish brown and we still see the onions. The ideal one is the mincemeat should be dark brown and we shouldn't see the onions by themselves. So to cook it a little more at the lowest heat, I add a lump of butter. This will hasten the process and increase the taste a bit. Now, a minute and a half later, we no more see the onions by themselves. The color is a better, more juicy looking brown, and it tastes much better. At this time, we add some black pepper, and black pepper also increases the taste of the mincemeat and also does one more thing. In our mouths, you know, the bitterness irritates the tongue, and it actually, in a way, wakes up the tongue. This way, so we get the taste of everything else more. That's why we love adding pepper so much. Now, we are ready to break an egg. For the egg, teaspoon of butter, I add a little more, and this is going to be more for the eggs. And I crack my egg. I do not crack it from top because I don't want the yolk to get separated. And I push the yolk to the other side and get the whites and mix it with my meat. And then I do this for 3 times for the other 2 eggs, like this. Take the yolk away, mix the whites with the minced meat. This way, the taste of the minced meat is great, but I keep the yolks like a sauce.
Can I crack my eggs outside? First put the white part, cook
Yes.
it, and then add the yellow.
It's great, yes, because my eggs are quite fresh. I can do this very easily, but you guys might not be able to do it. So you're right. Crack your eggs on the side, separate them, and put the whites first, and then add your yellows. This is almost ready. Now I'm going to put a bit of more salt for the yellows and the whites that are added. Close the lid for a minute. Meanwhile, I'm going to have some parsley. Always use the stems. I also add my greens, a bit of red pepper around. Now, something that we don't like is this white part, still like a juicy one. I don't want that, so I am mixing if there are any parts like that. And now, this simple, beautiful dish is ready to eat. The beautiful thing about this is you have the bread, you pop your egg like this, and it becomes this great sauce. Together with this mixture of minced meat, the sauce is like the fresh sauce from God. It's kebab-like minced meat with a bit of eggs. So nice, so fulfilling. Wow, when I order takeaway, it's either döner İskender kebab or Chinese takeaway are my favorite. This
Beats
tops
them
it
all.
Yeah, definitely. So good, so simple. For example, my mom also drizzles some lemon to this.
What about the spinach one? The video is not over. Let's cook the other one.
Okay, you're gonna eat that. I'm going to tell it briefly. This is done with minced meat, but actually you can do this with a lot of veggies or anything that's under your hands. The thing is, you start frying the veggies on the pan with a bit of olive oil. Then you add some onions to it. Or, for example, if it's spinach, you start with the onion and then move on to adding the spinach. Fry it, maybe add a bit of peppers. And then in 2 minutes, you break your egg. It becomes gorgeous because spinach is not as tasty as the minced meat. You can crack 1 egg totally and mix the yellow yolk as well, because yolk is really high on taste, and do the rest the same way, separating the yolks and the whites, and then putting the whites first and putting the yolks. Closing the lid for 1 minute, and then your spinach eggs are also going to be ready. Why I wanted to tell this, eggs we usually think as a breakfast thing, but no, this is quite a hardcore main course. People who did the whole month of Eid, their favorite dish in Turkey is usually kıymalı yumurta. That's what they want to eat just after they break their fast or just before they get into fasting. Both ways, people love it. Anyways, so that's it. Hope you like the idea and hope you're gonna use it.